Hey everybody, I'm Yvonne Williams with Back to Earth Creations, and in this video I want to show y'all how to become a $1 member subscriber on our website. At the time of recording here recently, Randy and I are moving away from using Patreon in favor of having our own hosted on our website membership service. So to do this, what we would do is we would go to Craft Along Club. Now also, if you're interested in participating in or supporting or just anything like that, we do have a free option. There should be a card coming up on the screen, or at least a link down in the video description taking you to that tutorial. But this is for if you would like to join our $1 Craft Along Club membership. So you can get there on a desktop by going to the menu and then over to Craft Along Club, and you could click $1 Craft Along Club membership, or you could scroll down just a little bit and click here to join our Craft Along Club. So clicky boop. And here you can see we have a bunch of different options, but we're going to start out with just the $1 club. So let's click that. And it reads, become a member and support the creation of our free tutorials, as well as receive exclusive access to our Craft Along blog, early access to all our live streams and member-only live streams, or live auctions and member-only live streams. There is a calendar on our homepage where you can stay up to date with our schedule. Now, very important information, the day of the month that you become a member will be the day that your membership is renewed on each following month. You can cancel at any time, and you can email us at backtoearthcreations.com or backtoearthcreations@yahoo.com. I'm sorry. If you have any questions or anything that you need help with. Now, the way that you would cancel is you just click unsubscribe down here at the bottom. Now, $1 Craft Along Club monthly membership sounds pretty good. If you click subscribe, and this is going to port you over to PayPal, where you can set up a PayPal account, and this is what's going to make sure that you can get charged each month. Again, there's going to be stuff blurred out on the page, but that's for protecting privacy. If this is your first time using PayPal, it'll have you put in your card information, click agree and subscribe, and it's going to load and then bring you over and cha-cha, you have set up a subscription. It lets you know that you can access your settings or contact them to cancel the authorization or to modify your payment methods or anything like that. So again, lots of stuff blurred out, and you can click down here at the bottom, return to merchant. Now also you can see here you will receive an email from us that says, hello, you have been invited to join Back to Earth Creations. Please click here to access our private pages. And so you will need to select your password. And type that in and click continue. And your password is set up and you can now log in. So, log in. So here you can see you have access to our Craft Along blog, and you can also come here and come to the Craft Along Club menu tab and come down to the members only streams. This is where we will be posting our Saturday member exclusive live streams, and it's very important that you sign up with the same email address that you use as your login so we can cross-reference if you're ever having any problems. Type in your email address and subscribe to our newsletter, and this will get you members only access to our members live streams, and will, just like how, again, if you were one of our Patreon supporters, how we would send out that, and Patreon would send you an email being like, hey, here's the link to the thingy. This will send out our weekly email that will have not just a recap of what's been going on in the blog, but also the link to that day's live stream. So be sure to put that in, and add us to like your address book in your email. That way we don't get eaten by your spam folder. Now also you can come up to your My Account tab in the menu and click that, and it will show you, and it's a quick navigation tool to the blog and the members only streams. So again, if you all have any questions about anything, be sure to shoot us an email at backtooearthcreations@yahoo.com, and we will try our best to be as helpful to you as we can be. So thank you again so much for your support, or even just for considering lending your support. We really appreciate your time.